Great day for couples painting with Patty and him from Patricia's Art Emporium. I hope everyone's having a great day. Hope everyone's enjoying their day today, having a happy day. Today, I'm going to work with a 14 by 14 canvas that I've already put white paint on, and that's Artist Loft white paint. And I'm going to try to do something like I did the other day, and that's going to be with using a palette knife and pulling out the paint. So we'll see how that goes. And I'm hoping that since I put white on this, I don't have to use as much paint as I've done before. Ready, Johnny boy?
Ready as could be.
I already got it. What do you think of that?
I think it's just beautiful. Well, what Kaleidoscope are you using there?
I am using, thank you, I forgot. I'm using Folk Art Violet Pansy. I'm using Apple Barrel Spring Green. Magenta. Now I'm going to use Masters Touch, that's what that stands for. Now I'm going to use Masters Touch Violet. Then I'm going to use some Craft Smart Neon Yellow.
I thought we had a whole bunch of that Artist Loft yellow.
We do too, but... Ooh. And then I'm going to put some Peacock Teal.
Looks like you're making a solar system.
I know, right? My circle is not very round, is it? I'm going to put a little more purple there.
Ooh, that's a pretty color. Purple will match my eyes.
Okay. I think I need to put... no. What else do I need? I think I need a little more green. Okay.
Okay, you done? Looks beautiful.
Thank you. Okay, now I'm going to pull it out with my handy palette knife.
Handy.
From the middle, which is right here, right?
Somewhere near there, yeah.
Okay, you ready?
I am. God, you never even notice any yellow in it till you squish it, right?
Yeah. Should I put one there?
Yeah, whatever you want to. I'm gonna put this stuff out of your way so you want to dump your balloon off or ouch.
Maybe you should put some yellow in there, brighten it up. How about that?
Gorgeous.
There we go.
Very nice, very nice.
Oh, we'll see what it dries like, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cells are popping up.
Looks weird.
Yeah, looks weird, yeah. It's pretty color. I like the color. Purple and purple.
Okay guys, this one's done. I think it's the first time I've done a balloon smash, kiss, whatever they call it.
Yes.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and bang that bell.
Hey, that's my job.
To be notified of new videos. Share with all your friends, family, co-workers, neighbors. Check out our paintings on eBay at Patricia's Art Emporium. Also check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. This is Patty and him doing couples painting at Patricia's Art Emporium, saying thanks again for watching. Please be kind to one another and enjoy each moment of every day. Peace.
Goodbye.